Magandang araw. Pag-usapan po natin ngayon kung paano po ba tayo mag-divide ng isang rational expressions. Let us consider these examples. Let's have example number 1. For our example number 1, we're going to find for the quotient of 7 over 6x divided by 7 over 12x. In this case, unang-unang gagawin natin ay i-consider muna natin yung kaniyang divisor. At ang divisor natin sa pagkakataon na ito ay ang 7 over 12x. Ano ang gagawin natin dyan? Simple lang. Kukuhanin lamang po natin ang kanilang reciprocal or yung kaniyang kabaliktaran. So, instead of 7 over 12x, i-rewrite natin ito into 12x over 7. Pagkatapos po nun, kailangan po natin i-change yung operation na division to multiplication. And therefore, ang mangyayari ay ito na po. Tulad ng nabanggit ko kanina, yung 7 over 12x ay naging 12x na po, naging 12x over 7 na po siya. Ito na po. Then, yung kanyang operation na division ay naging multiplication. Next po tayo. Ano ang kasunod na hakbang natin na dapat tandaan? Titingnan po natin yung atin pong partial quotient. Ang tawag natin dito, partial quotient, kung meron po bang possibilities na makakancel out. In this case, yung 7 at saka 7 ay parehas po sila, and therefore we can cancel out that number. Then, kung titingnan natin, yung 12x at saka 6x ay pwede rin po nating i-cancel out by dividing 6 by itself. Or if we divide 12x divided by 6x, that is equals to 2. And if we divide 6x by itself, that is equals to 1. So, ang natira po natin dito is 1. You have your 1 and 1. Then, lahat ng naiwan, multiply lang natin. That is equals to 1 times 2 and 1 times 1. Therefore, this will become 2 over 1. Simplify, this will become 2, your final answer. And so, ang atin pong magiging final answer ay we have 2. Let's have example number 2. Let's find out and find the quotient of a raised to the 5th power over 4 divided by 4a raised to the 5th power. Again, kung mapapansin natin, if we have a whole number, titingnan natin kung ano po ba meron dito. Tandaan na pag hindi po siya nakasulat sa fractional form, lagi pong i-consider natin na there is a hidden number 1 as our denominator. Same rule tayo sa kung anong ginawa natin kanina sa example number 1. We have to take the reciprocal of our divisor. And in this case, ang ating divisor ay ito po. 4a raised to the 5th power over 1. Then pagkatapos po natin kuhanin ang kanyang reciprocal, we have to change the operation into multiplication. And therefore, our partial answer now is we have now a raised to the 5th power over 4 multiplied by 1 over 4 a to the 5th power. Ibig sabihin nun, kanina, ito po ay nire-write natin into this form. Pagkatapos po nun, we have also to consider if there are some terms to be cancelled out. Kung meron maka-cancel out, yun po muna unahin natin. In this case, we have to cancel out a raised to the 5th power dito sa kanyang numerator sa left side at denominator naman sa kanyang right side. Since magkaparehas po sila, we can cancel out the terms. And ang natira po natin is only 1, 4, and 4. Ibig po sabihin nun, since we have here 1, yung remaining numbers natin na natira, we just simply multiply that number. And we have also to multiply 4 times 4. Therefore, ang ating magiging final answer, 1 times 1, that is equals to 1, and 4 times 4, that is equals to 16, which is your final answer. Ang dali lang, di po ba? Kailangan lang po natin ng constant practice. Let's proceed for our third example. In the third example, same process po tayo. We're going to find out the quotient of 16 minus x squared over x squared plus 2x divided by x minus 4 over x squared minus 4. Pero, titingnan muna natin yung problem kung nakaayos po ba sila. Di po ba? Mas maganda kung ang ating problem ay yung kanyang variable nasa unahan is a constant number. So, and therefore, we have to rewrite this equation into this form. I-rewrite po muna natin sila. This will become here, x squared minus 16. Ito po. Right after natin ma-rewrite po yun, we have to factor out this number. Since this is a perfect square now, di po ba ang sabi ko po sa inyo, tinuturo ko po sa inyo, na pag nakakita kayo ng perfect square, agad-agad ang kanyang factor ay yung kanyang term itself, the first and the last term. Parehas po yun. Yun yung kanilang sign magiging plus at saka minus. Any number multiplied by itself with a product of 16 that is equals to 4. So, ang kanyang maging factor na ngayon is x plus 4 and x minus 4. We have the negative sign outside the number. Kaya ang kanyang naging factor ay ito na po. We have here, ito po ang kanyang factor ng atin pong numerator. Next po tayo, paano po ang kasunod natin gagawin? We have here now, yung nasa baba, which is x squared plus 2x, factored out na rin po natin. So, if factored out that number, since parehas po sila may common, meron po silang magkapares na x, ilalabas po natin yung x nandito po yan. Then, we have now factored out, since meron tayo ditong dalawang x, at meron ka ng isang x sa labas, isang x na lang kailangan mo. If you multiply that number or variable that is equals to x times x, that is equals to x squared. And if you multiply x times 2, that is equals to 2x. Tapos na tayo dito sa right side. Sa left side, rather. Ang kasunod po natin, we immediately change the operation of the expression. Pagkatapos natin i-change yung expressions, we have to take the reciprocal. So, ito po mapupunta dito sa kanyang taas. Ito naman po mapupunta sa baba. Kaya po ang nangyari, nandito na po siya sa ilalim. Pero bago po natin ito isulat as our numerator, ang gagawin muna natin, of course, is to factor out that number. So, factor out muna natin to. Pag factor out natin ito na po ang kanyang kalalabasan. You have x plus 2 and x minus 2, which is the factor of this given expressions. Right after na makuha mo na ang kanilang factor, ang next po natin na hakbang ay kinakailangan titingnan natin yung atin pong partial answer. Is there any term to be cancelled out? Ibig sabihin, meron po bang term na pwede po makancel out? In this case, pwede po natin makancel out yung x minus 4 at saka x minus 4. So, nabawasan na po tayo. Then, tingin-tingin ka pa kung marami ka pang x na nawawala. Hanapin mo yung magkaparehas. Meron kaya, ayan, x plus 2 and x plus 2. Cancel out na po din yan. Next, ang kasunod po natin, since wala na po tayong makakancel out, you just write the remaining terms na naiwan doon sa iyong partial answer. Ang remaining natin ay ang x plus 4 and x minus 2 together with the sign. Kasama pa rin po yung sign. Then we have x sa baba. And so, our final answer, kinopya lang po natin yan, is x plus 4 and x minus 2, of course, over x. Yung ating pong sign, since considered po sila as negative, yung ating sagot ay ilalagay po natin dito sa kanyang gitna. So, for your final answer, you have your answer as x plus 4, x minus 2 over x. Di po ba napakadali lang? Ang kailangan lang pa natin gawin is a constant practice. And have a nice day.